Hello students, today we are in paper class 10th exam 2021-22. Many of you have joined today. So I am going from beginning. See the instruction. Time allotted for your paper is 120 minutes and maximum marks 40. This paper consists of 14 questions divided into 3 sections A, B and C. All questions are compulsory. Section A comprises 6 questions of 2 marks each. Internal choice has been given in 2 questions. Section B comprises 4 questions of 3 marks each. Internal choice has been provided in 1 question. Section C comprises 4 questions of 4 marks each. Internal choice has been provided in 1 question. It consists 2 case study based question also. Student, you should not be panic. Be calm and quiet. Read the question very carefully and go through the question twice at least. कम से कम 2 बार इस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे. कल हम आपको बता भी चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 8 तक. एक बार और आपको क्वेश्चन दिखा रहे हैं, अब ध्यान से देखें. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स डिविजिबल बाय 6. I have solved this one yesterday. See the solution of first question again. If the number first positive number is divisible by 6, the first will be 6. Then after second integer will be 12. Clear? So from second you will subtract first one, you will get common difference. Clear? And n is here 5, means you have to find the sum of first 5 integers divisible by 6. So you know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to replace n by 5, then this is 2 and 2 into value of a is here 6. Just I have told first term, and n is replaced by 5. Subtract 1 and multiplied by 6. 6 2 is 12 and 5 minus 1 4 6. Then multiply it, it will be 24. Then after you add it, it will be 36 and remaining to carry in the same manner. Write very neatly. You have to draw the margin as I have mentioned yesterday. If any rough work you want to do in the right side of the page. Draw here line and write rough work and do neatly rough work. Then multiply 18 5 is 90. This will be the first answer. Suppose you try second part. In an arithmetic progression, if common difference d is minus 4, n is equal to 7, an is equal to 4, an means nth term 4, so you have to find the first term. For that I have told yesterday, I think you are able to see common difference is here minus 4, n is 7, it is mentioned, nth term is 4, so you have to calculate a, that is question mark. We know nth term formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, means 4. An will be replaced by 4. I hope you are able to see. See here. An will be replaced by 4. Then a, as usual, because you have to calculate, n will be replaced by 7, then minus 1 in formula, then minus 4. Minus 4 is common difference, it is mentioned at the top here, it is mentioned question. What you have to do, whenever minus is given, and you have to write along with multiply, must put in bracket. Now 4 here, 4, then a plus 6 into minus 4, it means 4 equal to a minus 24. 24 will be transposed that side, you will get a is equal to 28. 4 plus 24 is 28. Next question, you see, I have discussed yesterday, the top of two poles of height 20 meter and 14 meter respectively are connected by wire. If the wire makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal, then find the length of the wire. Actually this question was skipped by me yesterday. I am solving again. See, wait. See, you have to draw margin again. In every page you have to draw margin by using your ruler and pencil. Here you have two pole, one height is 20. Suppose this is the first pole and this is second pole. You have to join here. Such a manner I have drawn here. The top of these two poles are tied with wire. This is wire. Suppose AB is first pole and CD is second pole. Height of second pole is what? 14 meter and first pole is 20 meter. Draw CM perpendicular to AB. So CD is equal to MB. Whatever CD, the same measure will be MB. It means it will be what? 14 meter till here. Actually you have to draw the diagram with the help of pencil and ruler. And this wire is making an angle of what? 30 degree here. What you have to find? You have to find the length of the wire. Suppose the length of wire is what? X meter. If this is 14 and entire is 20, the remaining part will be what? 6 meter. Now you will start solution. Let length of wire AC be of X meter. Since AB and CD are perpendicular to BD, it means angle ABD equal to angle CDB 90 degrees and draw CM perpendicular to AB. Therefore, angle BMC is equal to 90 degree. Each angle will be of measure 90 degree. if this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, then and this is 90 degree, then automatically fourth angle will be 90 degree. So that implies M, B, D, C is a rectangle. If it is rectangle, then opposite side will be equal. Therefore, MB equal to CD, opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Therefore, MB is equal to 14 meter. Now, you observe here, AB is equal to 20 meters, and AB is the sum of AM and MB, 20 meter. It means AM is equal to 20 minus 14 is equal to 6 meter. This whole information I have mentioned what should be noted, but it is not necessary to note down all. You can illustrate these all things on your picture, on your diagram very well, and directly you have to write single line, let the length of wire be ACB of X meter, and with the help of mentioned information in the picture, you will reach directly to the triangle. That I am going to explain here. I hope you are able to see. Again, you have to draw margin line. Without margin line, you have not to do. You write in right triangle, AMB, and this is the relation between, if you observe the diagram here, this is angle and the side just opposite to angle is said to be perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So this is the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse. So you have to choose trigonometric ratio sine, because you have learned the relation sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. That will be helpful to recall it. The sine 30 degree is equal to AM upon AC. And you know value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. AM is 6. AC you can calculate very easily. AC is equal to 2 into 6, 12 meter. At the end you must write answer. Hence, the length of wire is 12 meter. Answer. You have to mention the question number also. I am writing here question number 2. I hope you get it. See here, student. Question number 3 I have discussed yesterday. Once I am going to recall, because these are the question important, and these type of question must come in your examination. That's why be alert. See it. This is the solution of question number 3. See. This is question number 3. In this question, ABC is a right triangle at B, and this is circle that is inscribed in triangle ABC, such that the circle is touching all 3 sides of the triangle. You get it? So here BA and BC are tangent to the circle. BA and BC are tangent to the circle. Okay, I hope you recall point of contact. So if P is point of contact, O is center. So another theorem states the line segment joining the center point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. That implies OP per BA. Similarly, OQ perpendicular to BC. It means angle OPB is equal to 90 degree and OQB is equal to 90 degree. And BP and BQ both are tangent to the circle. Clear? It means BP and BQ both are equal because you know tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal in length. So due to that, BP and BQ both are equal. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. It is already mentioned. If three angle is 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, automatically this angle will be 90 degree, and this side are equal. It means adjacent sides are equal. That implies PBQO is a square. Now see, student. Then after you see AB is 8 centimeter, that is given, and BC is 6 centimeter. Here AB is 8 centimeter in figure and BC is 6 centimeter. The AP will be what? 8 minus R and CQ will be 6 minus R. By Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate in triangle that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It means 64 plus 36, that is equal to 100. That means AC is equal to root 100 and 100 root will be 10. Now you know AR is equal to AP is equal to AR, and AR is here 8 minus R. Why AP is equal to AR? Because tangents drawn from circle from external point A. So that's why AP is equal to AR. AR is equal to 8 minus R. Similarly, CQ is equal to CR because tangent drawn from external point C. The CR is equal to 6 minus R. But you know AC here in figure, again you will come and see it. In figure you observe what? AC is the sum of AR and CR. It means AC is equal to AR plus CR. It means 10 is equal to 8 minus R plus 6 minus R. AC is equal to AR plus CR. AC is here 10, AR is 8 minus R and CR is 6 minus R. 8 plus 6 14, R and R together will be 2R, and 14 will be transposed to the left side. The 10 minus 14 is equal to minus 2R. 10 minus 14 means minus 4, and here minus 2R. Minus cancel, R will be 2 centimeter. In this way you have to solve, and this is the solution. That solution is very big as compared to marks, but few questions are such a manner that you can manage it. Here in question number 4 you can manage very easily. See, firstly you have to go through the question. See the question first. Here you observe two cones have their height in the ratio 1:3 and their radii are in the ratio 3:1. What is the ratio of their volume? So here in first part you observe first cone is smaller. As if you observe the ratio, so you see that the height of the first cone is smaller than the second one, but with the help of radius you will see the base of the first cone will be broader as compared to second. So with this data we will draw two cones as I have drawn here and shown to you. Yesterday I have discussed also. Suppose this is H1 and this is R1, and ratio of H1, and second figure also this is H2 and this is R2. but ratio in height is given, 1:3. Suppose I am assuming first height is x, then second height will be 3x. Similarly, if first radius is 3y, the second radius will be y. The volume of cone 1 या cone A या first cone upon volume of second cone you can write. And volume, to calculate volume, 1/3 pi r square h is formula, but here I have distinguished radius and height with different letter. So you have to write 1/3 pi r1 square h1 upon 1/3 pi r2 square h2. 1/3 pi, 1/3 pi will be cancelled. Here r1 upon r2 you observe. The r1 upon r2 whole square you can write. But r1 upon r2 means what? 3y upon y you write. And here x upon 3x. Now it will be squared 3. Square will be 9. And 1/3 it will be cancel it. The 3/1. Its ratio will be 3:1. I hope question number 4 is very comfortable, and this is the question of mensuration. It must come. And another question of mensuration is here based on conversion from one solid to another. Here a solid metallic cone, you observe in this question, you find a solid metallic cone of radius 2 cm and height 8 cm is melted into a sphere. Find the radius of a sphere.